Think your expensive landscaping is just for show? What if I told you it's actually a secret Japanese buffet? For centuries, Japanese gardeners have mastered edible landscapes, blending stunning aesthetics with delicious harvests. Let's bring that magic to your yard. First up, fuki. It has massive, dramatic leaves perfect for USDA zones 4 to 9. It looks like a tropical resort. The stalks are amazing stir-fried. But disclaimer, always boil and soak them first to remove their natural bitter compounds. Number 2, hostas, known as urui in Japan. Yes, the classic shade plant. They thrive beautifully in zones 3 through 9. Harvest the tightly rolled spring shoots and sauté them in butter or sesame oil. Disclaimer, hostas are toxic to cats and dogs, so plant carefully. Third is shiso. It looks just like decorative coleus. Grow it as an annual anywhere, or a perennial in zones 10 and 11. It adds a minty basil kick to sushi and noodles. Warning, it self-seeds aggressively, so keep it contained in a pot. Plant 4 is myoga ginger. It gives your garden a lush, grassy look, perfect for partial shade in zones 7 to 10. We don't eat the leaves, just the crunchy flower roots. Perfect pickled or sliced on tofu. No major disclaimers here. Number 5 is mitsuba. It makes a stunning, fern-like ground cover in zones 4 to 9, preferring nice, cool shade. It tastes like a mix of celery and parsley. Toss it in soups. Just pinch off the flowers to stop it from spreading. Sixth is udo, a towering architectural masterpiece for zones 4 to 8. It absolutely commands attention in any landscape. The crisp spring shoots are incredible tempura fried, but like fuki, always blanch them first to remove their natural bitterness. Finally, wasabi. Its glossy, heart-shaped leaves look incredibly expensive. It loves wet, deep shade in zones 8 to 10. Grate the root for real sushi heat, but disclaimer, it requires pristine water and shade, making it a very high-maintenance diva. A quick safety reminder. Fuki and udo contain natural toxins, so you absolutely must boil them first to enjoy them safely. You can have a gorgeous Japanese garden that tastes amazing too. For the complete edible Japanese garden guide, please click on the link in the description below, as every purchase directly helps support the channel. Now, please enjoy a relaxing visual tour of Japanese gardens, featuring these stunning edible botanicals.